pagdalo sa ating selebrasyon. Special thanks to Otsuka Philippines Pharmaceutical Incorporated, Otsuka Clinical Nutrition Team, Otsuka Nutrition Counselors and Clinicians, Robinson's Place Balolos, and of course, Grupo Carrie Sweat for collaborating with us, making this event possible. Meron po tayong free ABI screening.
Welcome po sa 19th PAD Awareness Day. Sana po mag-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong araw na ito. Gawin nating ang linggong ito at ang araw na ito ay memorable sa inyo, no? Kasi pupunuin namin hindi lang ang isip nyo, ang tiyan nyo, at paano kayo mabuhay ng mahaba na walang komplikasyon.
Kung ano po yung mga tanong, and then sasagutin po natin as much as possible po, no?
Good afternoon, everyone! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? It's good to be back here in the annual PAD Day celebration. Na-miss ko to. Anyways, on behalf of Otsuka Pharma, I would like to thank everyone for coming today despite of the very gloomy weather. We would deeply appreciate your dedicated involvement and shared commitment to raising PAD awareness. Please enjoy the rest of the show.
Your support is greatly appreciated as we collectively strive for a healthier PAD community. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. ありがとうございます。